Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, let us learn how to make homemade tortillas. Into a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of wheat flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Now combine all the ingredients together using your hands or a whisk. Knead the mixture to form a dough using about 3/4 to a cup of water. Make sure to add the water gradually. The dough should be soft but firm. Once the dough is ready, cover and set aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the dough is ready, knead for a couple of minutes before forming into balls. With this recipe, you'll get about 10 equal-sized balls. Now, generously sprinkle rice flour onto a flat surface or a rolling board. I use rice flour instead of all-purpose flour because I feel it makes the dough easier to roll. You can use all-purpose flour if that is what you prefer. Gently roll the dough to form circles, although it is totally fine if you don't get circles. Repeat this process with the remaining dough balls. Once the tortillas are nice and flat, heat a pan and gently add the tortilla onto it. After about 2 minutes, flip the tortilla to cook the other side. That's it, our homemade tortillas are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. Do try this recipe out and let me know what you think in the comments below.